Hey guys, in this video we install a custom color micro topping cement application in some shower walls on a bathroom vanity and the bedroom floor in a beautiful home in North Sound in Virgin Gorda. Check it out. Alright guys, we're here in Virgin Gorda back at this residential project. We've done our base coat of micro topping cement and we've also done one body coat. We're about to do the final finish coat. We've sanded the floor, we've cleaned the floor, we finished the shower walls. So all we got left to do is the final coat of cement on the floor and then seal the floor. So we're going to mix up the cement now and start troweling it down. When we sand the base coat of micro topping cement with the floor sander, we typically use an 80 grit sanding screen, just to prep the floor and help the finish coat bond to the previous coat of cement. In areas where there are high spots, we typically have to flatten them with a 40 grit sandpaper on our hands and knees. To get the corners as flat as possible, we use our Dremel with sandpaper where the floor meets the wall. Okay, so we're back for our final day. We finished the final coat of cement yesterday. We're just going to knock down a few of the bumps with some sandpaper and hand sand the entire floor. And then we're going to apply the polyurethane sealer, water-based, with a matte finish. And this should be our last day. The shower is already done. We used the same micro topping cement on the walls, ceilings, and vanity, applying it using various different steel trowels and then sanding in between coats. We replicate the same process as we did on the floors, but it's more time consuming. The vanity's already done, so we just need to finish sealing the floor.